大家好，
欢迎来到 Mandarin Monkey.
Welcome to Mandarin Monkey Lesson 38.
第38课
Travel.
旅游
So we're going to kick off straight away with some vocabulary in the travel world, and then we're going to use them in some sentences so you can practice a bit.
好的，单字时间，第一个，旅游，
To travel or travel.
旅游。第二个，国家，
Country.
国家。第三个，去过，
Have been to.
去过。第四个，位于，
Is located in or at.
位于。第五个，的首都，
The capital.
的首都。第六个，最喜欢，
I like the most.
最喜欢。第七个，美食，
A delicacy.
美食。
And now we're back and in different clothes. Now we have the vocabulary that we need to talk about some travel things. We need to be able to put them in sentences for them to make sense, right?
对啊，所以要问一个人去过喜欢去哪个国家，怎么说呢？
So you can say, what about which country do you like traveling to?
所以 traveling to in vocabulary 是什么？旅游。对，所以你可以问你喜欢去哪个国家旅游？
So you like to go which country travel?
你
You
喜欢去
like to go
哪个
which
国家
country
旅游？
travel?
你喜欢去哪个国家旅游？
All right, got it? Oh, you want to ask me?
你喜欢去哪个国家旅游？
英国.
我喜欢去英国。
So yeah, I like to go to England.
对啊，好，再一次，你喜欢去哪个国家旅游？
我喜欢去英国.
可以。好，
Okay, so what about the next sentence? What about I have
which places you have been to？
which places? Okay.
好，have been to 去过。This is a grammar point in this lesson. Okay, so 去过 have been to. But actually, you can put any verb before 过. Like I have eaten. 我吃过。
看过. So
I've seen.
I've seen or watched it.
看过。我去过 have been to. 所以 I have been to. 我去过 Big Ben 和 London Eye.
So I've been to Big Ben and London Eye.
对，所以我去过 I've been to. 我去过 Big Ben 和 London Eye.
Okay. All right.
然后接下来是where are they?
So they're located in where?
位于 are located in where? 位于，所以他们位于伦敦。
So they are located in London.
对，所以位于后面你放 places or countries。他们位于伦敦。那伦敦在哪里呢？
England.
It's a capital, right?
It is.
所以 the capital of 的首都。So the capital of
首都。
对
Okay.
首都。So the capital of England， 你可以说英国的首都。
Okay.
What about the capital of Taiwan？ 台湾的首都是哪里？
台北.
Yay!
Taipei, yeah.
所以他们在英国的首都。
So, what about things that you like? So another part of the vocabulary was something that you like the most. Like
最
food
喜
or something?
欢 ，yeah. So 最 this word means the most.
Okay.
Okay, so 最喜欢 like the most. 所以在英国，我最喜欢的食物是 fish and chips.
Fish and chips. Yep.
和roast dinner.
Not everyone in England eats fish and chips.
No.
It's like a seaside food you get.
对。
But it's not like a staple diet. We don't have fish and chips every night for dinner.
对，但是我喜欢，所以最喜欢 like the most。我最喜欢的食物是 fish and chips 和 roast dinner。
So 食物 in this instance would be food, right?
对。
Okay.
So 最喜欢的 something. So for example, 最喜欢的食物 the food that you like the most. 最喜欢的人 the people that you like the most.
Okay, so 最喜欢的臭豆腐。
No, that's food.
Okay,
臭豆腐
okay,
is the kind of food. So 你可以说臭豆腐是我。
So it has to be general, right? So you can't name something specifically.
No,
okay, okay, yeah.
对对对，好。所以 let's review again.
Which country do you like traveling to?
你喜欢去哪个国家旅游？
I like to travel to England.
我喜欢去英国。
I have been to Big Ben and the London Eye.
我去过 Big Ben 和 London Eye。
They are located in London,
他
the
们
capital of England.
好，他们位于伦敦。伦敦是英国的首都。
I like fish and chips and roast dinners the most.
我最喜欢 fish and chips 和 roast dinner。
Okay, quick question about hand, so you can also say her.
可以，
Can you say gun?
可以啊。
Okay, so hand for and, her for and gun.
跟福安。
Gun, okay?
对，所以 fish and fish and chips 和 roast dinner。fish and chips 和 roast dinner。fish and chips 跟 roast dinner。
Okay,
他们都可以哦。
great. All right. If you have any questions, let us know. Please write down below.
好，
If you have any suggestions on videos you'd like to see, please comment. We are going to do another video, aren't we, soon on Zai, right?
在，this Zai is different from the Zai we mentioned about in previous videos. This Zai means again, but you will say in
So
the
this
next
is
video.
再一次.
对，来
Okay,
再一次
one more
again.
time. Okay.
好。